Hi friends, welcome to Dhiksoochi. Fly with the trend. We were expecting, right? Last trading day, the trend was reversing in between. And it was very volatile today also as we expected. I suggested you not to go for any trades today if at all the trend is downside. That's what happened today. Today, the Nifty opened with 200 points down, gap down. Also, the Bank Nifty almost 600 points gap down. That itself indicates the market is in negative today. But after 1 o'clock, almost around 12 o'clock, it started taking the reverse trend. It was happened with the Bank Nifty. But the Nifty almost after 1 o'clock, it tried to take push up. Finally, let us see what happened today. So, the Nifty opened at 17,066 and went up to 17,180. Almost 100 points it was able to gain. Even that was happened after 1 o'clock. And first morning session, it went down even up to 16,867. That's what happened today. So finally closed at 17,110 with loss of 167 points. Bank Nifty opened with, as I told you, 600 gap down. 37,083 was an open price and went down to 37,015 till 1 o'clock. 12 o'clock. After that, it taken a push and went up to 38,130. So almost it covered 1,000 points after taking a support over 37,015. Finally closed at 37,982, almost 1,000 points. Then finally closed with 275 points gained. This is what happened. And US federal meeting, they indicated that the interest rates are going to hike and applicable from the month of March. So after that was happened in our Indian stock market. Now let us see what happened to our stocks. In the previous video, I was stressing upon that if the market is downtrend, please don't go for it. That has happened. So even NMDC, it was opened at day's high of 136.05, which is very less, which is less than our entry point. Even Coromandel International Limited, day's high is 764.9. But you know when it has taken the reverse trend? After 2 o'clock. So earlier videos, so many videos I told you, if any trend change in after 1 o'clock, better don't take that trade. So that what happened. This is the only one stock which has entered our entry price, but it entered after 1 o'clock. So which is not suit to us, right? So if at all you have taken the trade, finally it closed around 760 points only. So there is no much loss even though, because I suggested several times. I hope I am strong, confident that you definitely had not taken the trade. In spite of telling all these, in spite of hearing to all these videos, if still you had taken, definitely you will be in losses. But as I am suggesting you, I hope that you are following my instructions and you are not taking any trade after 1 o'clock if triggers our entry price. Then Amar Raja Batteries, we thought of taking entry at 609 and day's high itself 606.75. Apollo Microsystems, we thought of taking entry at 145 but day's high itself is 144. Whereas Aurobindo Pharma, entry we thought of at 621 but the day's high itself 618.95. This is how we were able to protect our capital with Dhiksoochi. Right? Yes. Now let us see the stock picks for today. But the graph is saying, the research is saying that, the analysis is saying that tomorrow probably there is definitely a positive swing in Nifty as well as in the Bank Nifty. So hope out of these 5, at least 2 or 3 will definitely trigger our entry prices, also book our target prices. So the stocks for you are Bharti Airtel. Take entry at 711 and mark 9 rupees as your profit, whereas stop loss is 704. ONGC, take entry at 166 points and target for 1 rupee, that is 167.05, and stop loss is 165.3. Varun Beverages, entry you try to take at 885 and you can target for 5 rupees profit. Tata Chemicals, entry 916 and you can target for 13 rupees over here. And Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, entry is 310 whereas target price is 313.75. Okay, now let us see the support and resistance reviews. Every time we were seeing that, right? If there is a gap down or gap up, definitely the support is going to act as a resistance, and resistance is going gap up, then resistance is going to act as a support, right? Same thing happened. So support we expected that at 17,150, but it faced resistance around 17,180. So support taken at 16,870. It is not that exactly the particular support, but it's okay. Try to push itself. Then Bank Nifty 37,600, that we thought it may take at support, but it taken the support at 37,060. Okay, whereas the resistance we thought that it may take at 37,890. It's already opened with 600 gap down. So this resistance it faced at 38,100, which is little far. Anyway, 600 far, no? So it's what happened. And I suggested only one support 1 and resistance 1. I have not mentioned any support 2 and resistance 2 because the market is highly volatile. Right? Yes. Now, finally, the support and resistance for tomorrow, the 28th Jan 2022, I can see that the support may it take at 16,900 and resistance it may be faced by Nifty at 17,300. Whereas in Bank Nifty, I have mentioned support 1 and support 2. Support 1 will be 37,550. If slips down, then 37,200 may be act as a support level. For resistance, it may go up to 38,250. If it is able to sustain over this, then it definitely will go to 38,480. Friends, out of our budget session ahead, we have to act wisely in the stock market because tomorrow also there may increase or there may be high volatile situation which we need to understand and have to take the trades. So I wish you a profitable day tomorrow and we'll meet again in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.